Hey, this is Nate. I got your site pulled up here. I wanted to kind of give you a quick review, kind of some tips and tricks on how to rank your website now and beat out your competition. There's three things that we're going to go over: content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll get into what those are. I've got your site pulled up. I always start with content. With Google, content is king. Scrolling down through the site, the overall layout and everything looks great. You've got a couple paragraphs here. You've got a couple different tabs on things you can do here. Testimonials, got great before and after pictures, but there's not really a lot of content here. We recommend about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. The reason for that is you want to organically fit those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google into the content on your page. It's not the only way to get found for specific keywords, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to find them and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. I've got one of the other top ranking local guys pulled up here. Scrolling down through here, again, nice looking layout, a couple before and after pictures, but there's still not a lot of content here. On the content game, this guy would be super easy to beat out. That's not the only game we want to win, but it is an important one. Ahrefs is one of the paid tools that we have that we can really break these sites down. And right now you're showing up for 20 keywords. So we can go in here and kind of check these out. Gold Coast pressure cleaning, high pressure gold cleaning Gold Coast, all of those look like good keywords. I call them generic keywords. Pressure cleaning Gold Coast. It says what you do and where you do it. But, as you can see, you're ranking like third and fourth page for most of these keywords. And we want to get you up on that first page. Realistically, we want to get you up in the top three. So we can go over here and see what these guys are ranking for and kind of where they're at. But they've got 151 keywords. So high pressure cleaning Gold Coast, that's one of the keywords you also had on your page. They're in the second position. There's 70 people a month searching this keyword phrase, and they're getting 11 visits a month to their website because of it. Pressure cleaning Gold Coast, 90 people a month searching for it. These guys are in the fifth position. They're getting 6 visits a month to their site. So, like I said, you can see here the volume that these keywords are getting. Like house washing Gold Coast gets searched 150 times a month. These guys are in the 14th position, so they're still, about halfway down that second page, and they're still getting, 1 or 2 hits a month to their site. But, think about with that volume, the number one position gets about 30% of those clicks. So you're looking, if you were in the number one spot for house washing Gold Coast, you'd be getting about 50 visits a month to your website. That additional traffic, think about how many of those people you could turn into clients and what that would do for the bottom line on your business. The second thing that I like to go over are your citations. And let me get this back to the right page real quick. You can see I typed in pressure washing Gold Coast. This right here is what we call the Google Map Pack. You need to get your Google My Business page set up and verified if you have not already done that. But once that's done, you want to add what we call citations. And that is your business name, address, and phone number. Exactly the way that it's listed on your Google My Business page, put into multiple directories across the internet. They may be different there, but like here in the U.S., some of the examples are going to be Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle. So I'm sure you guys have got those same type of directories over there. I just don't know if they're called the same thing. But you want to get as many of those citations as you can. There's literally hundreds and thousands of them out there. But you do want that information to exactly match your Google My Business page. Name, address, phone number. Some of the other factors to getting into this map pack are going to be your star rating, the number of reviews you have, how many pictures you have on that Google My Business page, and making sure it is 100% filled out properly. Your third thing here are your backlinks. Right now you're showing 27 backlinks. And what a backlink is any website that has a link back to yours. So some of your citations will give you backlinks. Say I found you in one of those directories and I can click on something there that takes me to your website. That is a backlink. It's a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more popular Google thinks you are, the more authority they give your page. That being said, not all backlinks are created equal. you do want to avoid the spammy type of backlinks. Over time, those can actually pull your page down. So some citations give you backlinks. There's blog commenting that you can do, guest posting on blogs. There's lots of ways to get them. If you're going to go the blog route, try to keep them either location specific, so find local community blogs, or industry specific, so blogs about pressure washing, because those type are going to give you the most power and authority passed over to your page because they are relevant to what you do. So, go find some blogs about pressure washing, read some articles, post a good comment down there, put a link back to your site, stuff like that. We'll go take a look at these guys. They're showing up for 47. So we can go in here and look at exactly where these guys are getting their backlinks from. Like here's, this is probably one of your directories here, localsearch.com. Looks like they've got a few coming from Juju. But we can go look at the power and the authority of these pages. Make sure they are the type of backlinks we would want on your page. And go in there and try to get you backlinks on those same pages. I call it the copycat method. Find the guy that's winning, copy what we want, beat this guy at his own game. But that is my basic overview for you. Hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Have a great day, and thank you for your time.